Are you enjoying the car book, Mr. Sherman?
Yes. The plot's a little thin, but holy shit is it good.
We love stuff like these. Car books. We like having information for things that don't exist. Oh, hey, you just pulled that.
Now I'm looking at this.
That's got to come off.
I have watched it. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to leave the oil pressure regulator valve in place for the time being.
Yep, it's right there. It's that big Allen, yeah. Plug.
It doesn't have an Allen here.
Yeah, this one
They
does.
didn't even say, they were like, hey, we're going to watch the game at 5:30. I'm like, yeah, oh, no way.
Now look at this specialty socket they're talking about using.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
So, are you going to take those things off or
Well,
what?
I think we need a real hat.
Huh?
So let's talk about this, Mr. Sherman.
What?
The special tool that was supposed to be needed. That somebody in the past.
He's not coming on.
That
It
is
tells
funky.
you how to make it. Look at that. It's like you take a big flathead, half-inch drive.
Yeah,
It's
it
a
gives
big
you all the
flathead.
details, and you just cut away everything. It doesn't look like a special tool.
Nice. But
However,
this one has an Allen. However,
actually, yeah. So the front one is reverse low. The back one is high.
got it.
So that's the thing.
All right. I wonder if we're going to need like a hammer or something to pop these,
Vacation.
to push them back, because it's not really.
You might have to
Just chop it?
them.
Oh, really? Just screw them?
They're threaded.
Maybe.
Let's try it.
Oh, girl, look, they're threaded. Look at that. Well, they come out easier when you unscrew them.
You can take them out without unscrewing them. It's really messy.
Yeah.
Okay, so the other thing we're going to want to do is remove the parking pawl. Not the pawl, but the actual park pawl ring.
Yeah. The big giant
Wait,
gear.
where's that?
It's got a snap ring. Ha! What? Oh, damn it. I got up and Chuck got the nice chair.
No, you're right, Chuck. It's coming right loose.
Where's the pointing to all thing? Here's the pointing to all thing. So if you're going to do it, what you want to do is this. You want to get in here like that,
Get it up over the lip.
like that, and then just work it around.
Oh.
Oh,
There's
hey.
a funny card store that's.
You know, we can turn the
Yeah.
transmission.
Ah, that's too much work.
No, we can turn the shaft.
Why?
Oh, it's good. Oh, 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 oh. Yay! Bag it and tag it.
Wait a minute, we got one more to take off.
Why not just leave those on?
Because we're taking this off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm a different.
We're going to
This-
take
all right,
this
sorry.
off.
Yeah, you're right. We have to.
Sauce person. So wait, where is it?
Bags.
We've accumulated.
That's okay. No, we're just dabbing some.
All right, there she goes. Do you need to review this, or we just put it over?
We'll just set it over there for the time being.
Oh, look, there it goes.
Can I make it?
Any luck on that other one? Or is-
There it goes. Look at that.
No, wait. You can't. You
So
don't
you're-
speak too soon.
No, we're...
Just press on this side
Don't
while
get
you're doing
stabbed
that
with the screwdriver, Sherman.
Now you've just clicked it in the groove.
one? Okay. Look it up.
Now it's in the hole. Damn it.
This is all.
There we go.
Former groundskeeper.
There's
Now
one.
master.
Can you grab the other side?
No. Here.
I'll just keep it going.
There. All right.
That goes in the, what was this part?
Yeah,
The
there's
torque
no-
ball.
Park
You're kind of stuck
thing.
Park
down
ball.
there.
Then we got to take that off. That's
Yep.
just the rear pump.
Rear pump.
Air pump.
Yeah.
Rear pumpy pump. 4 bolts.
Exercise.
Get them off.
All right.
Let's go. Chop, chop. Half inch, girl.
Get this off. So
Get the.
That last one.
Get the
was
cranking.
Same problem I had on that other side where it was.
Okay, well, you have a half an inch.
Yeah, where's that half inch you had?
it should be down. Oh, well, you gave me this one.
I didn't give you that.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a half inch though, right?
That's a line wrench. Have fun with
Yeah,
that.
that's not, this isn't very good for this application. We need a half inch wrench.
Rancher.
This is.
That's how the French Canadians say it. The rancher.
No, they
16,
don't.
9/16.
Well, you know what? I don't talk to many of those guys.
So I'm having a shortage of half inch wrenches.
I have to think about where.
Sherman would. You talked to French Canadians when you were a Youper, yeah? All right. Oh, girl's working on the rear pump.
Oh, I sure am.
Oh, God.
Oh, here she comes.
Oh, oh, oh.
Like crap through goose.
Rear pump off.
Wait. Don't tilt it that way.
Wait.
It may fall apart.
Oh, I see. Yes, there
There's
is.
shit here, see?
Oh,
There's shit here.
Look at that, see?
look at that, all that shit.
That would have fallen out because that just sits there.
We can't have the shit fall.
All right,
Next.
all right. Rear pump. We're gonna make this. We're gonna make this a thing.
Rear pumps it, get its own
Do you have
bag.
the pin?
Who's got the marker?
Just put rear
Oh,
pump on
there's
that.
the marker
We'll
right
just
there.
put that.
Oh, I got you. Ugh, there you go.
The whole assembly in there.
What do you think?
Yeah.
I don't know. I would think that this. Oh, yeah, just comes right
Oh,
off.
hey, look.
That just comes right off.
Here, we'll just put it in the bag with this.
I'm inspecting. A little
You're
bit of wear,
specting?
but it's not.
Yeah, they're a little bit.
Are you
flat on the
specting?
edges here.
No, I'm looking here. I'm looking at this.
Let me see.
Oh, so this is okay that the teeth are kind of ground down?
No, that's by design.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This goes in there like that.
There you go.
See?
Oh, now she's.
Isn't that cool?
All right. Oh, here we go. The Sherman's pulling something off.
I do need you back.
There's a little thing in Bob here.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes.
That's all I'm working at. I'm waiting for everybody to pay me. Not funny.
Why don't you?
Come on.
To get your money out of your like Fendi wallet or whatever. I just Fendi. I thought I had Fendi here. Oh. No, I know.
I have a.
Shit. Damn, Sherman.
Hey, I don't know. Might have to read the book.
Well, you gotta.
She's been in his box.
See how the comes kind of out, so you have to kind of pull the top and pull the.
I typically know how to get in the men's camp.
Oh, girl.
Please.
Wait a damn minute. What in the hell?
This is fun. I'm going into everybody's wallets tonight. Ooh. We all get fun.
I have no idea why it won't come out.
What the fuck?
All right, let me get this other accumulator off.
What the fuck, Chuck?
Funny.
I look at the book, but somebody's using it.
Grant's enjoying the reading.
Here, he's got a half here.
Half. Paul's got half.
Where'd you find that?
So, Grant is
Look at that. Comes right off.
Got it. Accumulator out.
It's not out.
Well, close enough.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, you got Chingus.
Is there a little pin you push in or
pretty
something?
much.
To close, but if
Oh.
the bank collapses or
Exactly.
who has to
Oh, yeah, yeah.
move into Palm Springs,
We don't want you
know.
coming
Yeah.
unglued here.
I'll be